So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Grace, and yes you guys, this is the third episode of Did I Do Better? If you didn't know, this is a series where I recreate celebrities or influencers nail design. In this episode I'm going to recreate Kylie's leopard nails. Yes you guys, I will put the picture here so you can see what nail design I'm speaking about. And yeah you guys, before you go and watch this video how I recreate Kylie's nails, just pause this video, go on my Instagram and show me some love. Follow me you guys, follow me on Instagram. I'll put my name of my Instagram here somewhere in the screen. When you're done following me, come back and watch me recreate these Kylie nails Jenner. Come back and watch this video how I recreate Kylie's nails. So yeah, keep on watching. Okay, so this was a refill, so I've already got the old acrylic off and I have already prepped the nails. As always, I'm going to apply a thin layer of clear acrylic, and this is to prevent staining and any lifting. To create the nail bed, I'm using this Carvel almond. I will put a link in the description box below if I can find a link, because I bought this on Curacao when I was on vacation. And yeah you guys, now I'm forming the nail bed, and make sure you form the nail bed as perfect as you can, because this is the key to get a sharp smile line. And I'm going to repeat this step on all the nails. And now I'm using this amaretto brown that I've also bought on Curacao to apply on the tip. If I also can find a link, I will put it in the description box below for you guys. And you guys don't worry that this is gonna look messy, because we have shaped the nail bed perfectly, because we have already shaped a perfect smile line when we're going to apply the color on the tip. And after, when it's dry and when we are going to file the nails down, you will see the perfect smile line that we have created before. So yeah, when we are going to smooth the nails and make the nails even, you will just see the perfect smile line. So just trust the process, you guys. And how are you guys holding up in these difficult times? I hope you're all doing great, that you are staying safe, that your family and friends are also safe. Let me know in the comments below where you live and how the situation is in your country where you live. Let me know, you guys. I'm really curious, and yeah, I really hope this period is over soon. I really hope it's over soon. And this is how the nails look so far. And next, I'm using my medium grit bit. I'm using this to smooth the nails down and to make the nails even. And as always, I'm using my tapered bit to really get into the cuticle area to make it smooth and flat and nice and clean and you know. Okay, so next I'm perfecting the shape with my hand file. And next I'm using some black acrylic paint that I've got for like ages. That's why it's looking like this. And I'm using my dotting tool to get the leopard pattern. I don't really know how to explain to you guys what I'm doing, but just look at the footage so you can see what I'm doing. I'm kinda like making some little spots and dragging it a little bit and making it's you just have to feel it and just make it random and put some spots in between. Just look at the footage, you guys. I'm really bad at explaining things, you guys, so I'm sorry for that. But I'm doing my best. And this is how the nails look so far. I just let the acrylic paint dry completely, and after that I'm using the gel bottle matte top coat. I will put the link in the description box below, and then I'm curing it under my lamp for like 2 minutes. And this is the final result, you guys. I think I did a pretty good job at recreating these nails from Kylie. I think these nails are a little bit shorter than Kylie's nails. I will put a picture in the screen so you can see her nails. But you guys, I am so in love with the end results. I really think I did a pretty good job at recreating Kylie's nails. And you guys, how do you think I did on recreating this set? I think I did a pretty good job. I love the outcome. I really think I did a good job on recreating this set. And yeah, you guys, let me know in the comments below what you think. Did I do better? Let me know in the comments below. And you guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have time, if you have liked this video, if you like my content. So only if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it, you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. I hope you've learned something. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.